Hello everybody, it is Miss Penny and we are here with holiday crafts. Yes, how are you all? How have you been doing? Good, good. Are you ready for a craft? Of course you are. Of course you are. Okay, let's get started. We are making this super fun skating gingerbread person. So we have lots of coloring to do. Okay? Whew. So what you're going to get in your kit is a paper plate. You're going to get a gingerbread house template. You're going to get, I can pick these up. Okay. You're going to have a gingerbread boy, a gingerbread girl. You can choose. You can use them both if you think you can fit them in there, or switch them out. You're going to have a popsicle stick in there, and you will have some blue paint. Okay, what you're going to need from home is some markers or crayons or colored pencils, whatever you're going to color with. You are going to need some scissors. You're going to need some glue and or tape, and I think that's about it. Let's get started. If you're worried about your clothes, put on a smock or put on clothes that are okay to get dirty, all right? Or messy. This will be washable paint, so it should wash out, but just in case, let's be safe. First thing you want to do is paint your paper plate. I left this spot open just because it's not going to matter because it'll be blocked and colored, okay? You can leave it open. You can paint the entire plate. Totally up to you. Paint it blue. This is going to be your ice. It's going to be your pond that your gingerbread person, will be skating on. Okay? Now, you want to take your gingerbread house template and whichever one of these, or both, that you're choosing, and color them in however you want. Doesn't matter what color. You want to make your gingerbread people purple? Make them purple. You want to make them rainbow? Make them rainbow. They're yours. You want to make your gingerbread house black? Make it black. It doesn't matter to me. It's your house. You get to do what you want with it. Have at it. Color those and then cut them out. Okay? I chose the girl. I colored. I cut out. Once that is complete, you want to take your popsicle stick and use either glue or tape, whichever one you're using, and just tape it on because you're kind of making her into a puppet. Mine's a her. Okay? Glue or tape, whichever one you're planning on using. I'm going to use tape. We're just going to tape it on and make our, and there we are. She's complete. Oh yes, there is one more thing that will be in your kit, and it will be a toilet paper tube. All right. You want to take your toilet paper tube and you want to put your toilet paper tube. Actually, we're going to put your house on it first, okay? So we're going to glue your house onto the tube or tape, whichever one that you're using. Doesn't matter. I'm going to use glue. I might use glue and tape because glue takes a while to dry. And, well, we don't have time for it to dry today, do we? Otherwise, we'll be in our video for a long time. All right, so there we go. I've got the glue. It'll dry eventually. In the meantime, the tape shall hold it still. All right, so I've glued my house onto there, and that's just so that it can hold it up. That's all that's for. Nothing special, people, nothing special. It's just a nifty little art trick. Then, this one you probably will need glue, but you could probably use tape too. We're going to take our toilet paper tube, go ahead and put some glue, and maybe you could even use hot glue because that dries nice and quick. But if you choose to use the hot glue, what's the rule? Yes, big person supervision. Thank you. Wow, you guys do listen. I love it. We're going to glue it onto the back part of our plate like this. So it's like a house sitting in the house sitting on the pond. Now I am going to go ahead and tape that down as well, because that glue will not dry by the time this video is finished, and then this will not stay down. Okay, so there we go. We have a house in the pond. What on earth are we going to do with a house in a pond? Well, we're going to make it so that our gingerbread person can skate, of course. You're going to want to take your scissors. Please use adult supervision with this too, because these can be sharp, okay? But what you want to do is you want to now take it and just kind of make a slit across. You don't want to put it all the way across. You just want it inside your plate right here. Just a little slit, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and make a slit. And if your scissors don't go all the way through, you may need to kind of do a poke and cut, because mine did not go through. And if you have, anything else, like an X-Acto knife or whatever, that might even work better for this. There we go. Okay, got it poked. So if you can see, look at my line. That's all. Just like that. But that's just a line. It's not even all through. So I'm going to cut it all the way across. Cut, cut, cut. Just a slit. That's all I want. That's all it is. It's just a slit. Then we take our gingerbread person, stick it through the top of that slit, and now watch. Our gingerbread person is skating. And actually, if you were to take this slit and make, like, you could probably make it even come down like this. Let's try it. Let's try it. If we took our slit and made it go down a little bit like so, then our gingerbread person could actually skate a little bit more. Now, before you start doing everything, make sure your plate is dry. The paint. All right, so then I just did this, so it almost looks like a little door. Let's see if it works. Ready? I'm gonna hold my stick on the bottom, and then we get, look at, oh yeah, and then she can really skate. She can go. So this is it, guys. Oh, and I'm out of the picture. That's it. You're just making a gingerbread skating, skating gingerbread. So cool. That is awesome. If you guys, write your names on here, write the date on there, help clean up, please, or clean up. It shouldn't be difficult to clean up, guys. There's a little bit of cutting mess, a little bit of paint mess, maybe glue, maybe tape. Anyway, clean it up, no biggie, easy peasy. Then you get to play with your skating gingerbread person. And if you show us pictures, that would be amazing. If you want to bring them in, that would be amazing. We would love to see your crafts, okay? And most of all, have fun. Show everybody the craft that you made, and have a great holiday. We'll see you later. Bye, everybody.